Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya and in this video we are going to talk about OnePlus 8 Pro. And I'm not thinking about making this video, but after watching the Indian price, I just gobsmacked and I was so surprised and I'm so excited. So now I'm making this video and I want to share my thought with you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the price of OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro is announced in India, and OnePlus 8 base model is a start from 42,000 rupees and OnePlus 8 Pro starts from 55,000 rupees. And yes guys, it's no brainer because you get all. We will not talk about OnePlus 8 in this video. I already make a video on OnePlus 8, so you can go and check this out. In this video we are going to talk about OnePlus 8 Pro only. So yeah, you will get all the flagship specifications in OnePlus 8 Pro at very less price compared to other flagship phones like the Samsung and iPhone. Like Samsung, you can compare whole S20 lineup. All are very expensive and you get just more like 108 megapixel and zooming capabilities in what you say in S20 Ultra, and in S20 Plus you will get more 64 megapixel telephoto lens, but not too much of a difference. Expect the zoom in camera capabilities and 8K recording. If you aside these two things, you will not see much of a difference, and I'm going to compare side by side so you will get a better overall idea that which phone is better for you. So let's start with OnePlus 8 Pro. Like as I said, it has all this flagship specifications. So IP certification, oh yes. Wireless charging, oh yes. Latest SoC, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, oh yes. And compared to Samsung chipset, it has Exynos 990, and we all know the Snapdragon 865 is better than Exynos 990, and Exynos 990 has some problem in Samsung S20 Plus, like game optimization is not so good, battery optimization is not so good, and there is some heating issues also. So we all want a Snapdragon chipset in Samsung flagship as well. Maybe now Samsung will provide us here in India also, so that's good for everyone. And if you talk about the display, then it has 120Hz plus Quad HD resolution, oh yes. And fun fact, you can use both the things, I mean 120Hz refresh rate and Quad HD resolution both at same time. Meanwhile in Samsung you can't use both the things. It is available, I mean 120Hz and Quad HD is available in Samsung S20 lineup as well, but if you use 120Hz, then the display resolution is automatically switched to Full HD plus. You can't use both the things at the same time, and when you want to use Quad HD resolution, I mean highest resolution, then you have to reduce your refresh rate to 60 Hz. So OnePlus did it, now it's your turn Samsung. And guys, I don't want to waste your time, that's it. You are getting everything, I mean everything in OnePlus which you are getting in Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. By the way, S20 Ultra is not a phone which I will recommend to you, because no need to pay 1 lakh rupees on a Samsung phone. S20 Plus is a good phone, no doubt, but now OnePlus is better because they are so cheap as compared to Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and also it is better than Samsung S20 Plus in some cases. So guys, last but not the least, let's talk about the camera. So camera of OnePlus 8 Pro improved a lot this time, and the Sony IMX689 sensor, I guess, is a very good sensor which helps to improve the camera quality, and also the image processing is good this time. But according to me, OnePlus 8 Pro is a little better than Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, but yeah, it's still not better than iPhone 11 and Pixel 4. But when it comes to S20 Plus, I feel that OnePlus 8 Pro is better. And now this time the gap, like OnePlus is here and other true flagship phones are here, but you have a secret weapon in OnePlus that you can use is the Gcam, and I saw some Gcam photos as well, which is better than the stock camera of OnePlus 8 Pro. So the difference is become even lesser. So that's the point, that's the plus point. And also in India you get Exynos processor in Samsung phones, so you can't use Gcam, but you can use Gcam in OnePlus 8, so that's also a plus point for OnePlus 8 Pro. And guys, there is not a single deal breaker feature which you will get in S20 Plus, but you will not get in OnePlus 8 Pro. But the price difference is too much, like too much. So definitely just say two words to your mind, oh yes, and buy OnePlus 8 Pro if you are looking to buy a flagship phone under 60,000 rupees. So you can get OnePlus 8 Pro after this lockdown. So guys, that's it from today's video, but I want to add one more thing about iPhone SE2 2020 versus OnePlus 8, because I don't want to make a whole video on this topic. So I will tell you in short that which one should you buy if you are thinking, because both phones come with same price in India. Like OnePlus 8 is priced at 42,000 rupees and iPhone SE2 priced at 42,500 rupees. So I will recommend you to skip both the phones and better buy OnePlus 8 Pro via adding 12-13,000 more to your budget. OnePlus 8 Pro is a much better deal, and if you are a typical iPhone user only, like you want to use iPhone only, then better buy iPhone XR. And yeah, you have to sacrifice that compactness if you love compact phones, but iPhone XR is a better deal than iPhone SE2. So that's been it. Like if you are okay with both iOS and Android, then buy OnePlus 8 Pro, increase your budget, and simply skip OnePlus 8. Yeah, it's a good phone at 42,000 price, but better buy OnePlus 8 Pro. So guys, if you like this video, if you enjoy the video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me, and also tap the bell icon for awesome videos to get all the notification of these awesome videos. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.